If you are looking for an AI tool that can generate realistic videos from simple text prompts, you have probably heard about Sora AI, developed by OpenAI. Sora is one of the most advanced AI video generators available today, but is it the best option for creators in 2026? Let's find out. What is Sora AI? Sora is an AI powered text to video model that allows users to create videos by simply describing what they want in text. You can generate cinematic scenes, animations, product videos, social media content, and more without traditional video editing skills. The platform can also create videos from images and supports editing, remixing, and extending existing clips. Key features: one of Sora's biggest strengths is its video quality. The generated footage is highly realistic with a smooth motion and impressive visual detail. Some standout features include text to video generation, image to video creation, video remixing and editing, scene extension and continuation, multiple aspect ratios for social media and YouTube, high quality cinematic outputs. These features make Sora useful for marketers, content creators, educators, and businesses. Pros: excellent video quality and realism, easy to use interface, fast content creation, great for storytelling and creative projects, integrated with OpenAI ecosystem. Cons: generated videos may still require manual editing, complex scenes can sometimes produce inconsistent results, access and generation limits depend on your subscription plan, not ideal for highly precise professional video production. Pricing: Sora is available through eligible OpenAI plans with features and generation limits varying depending on the subscription tier. It is best to check the latest pricing directly from OpenAI as plans can change over time. Is Sora AI worth it? For most creators, the answer is yes. Sora delivers some of the best AI generated video quality currently available and significantly reduces the time needed to produce engaging content. If your goal is creating marketing videos, social media clips, concept videos, or creative storytelling projects, Sora is definitely worth considering. Final verdict: Sora AI is one of the leading AI video generators in 2026. Its combination of realism, ease of use, and powerful video creation tools makes it a strong choice for creators who want professional looking videos without advanced editing skills. Rating: 9 out of 10. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know down below in the comments whether you have tried Sora AI and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.